Hi, I'm Joel Shulkin, and I'll be talking to you about crafting a medical thriller even when your specialty isn't considered thrilling. I'm a developmental behavioral pediatrician, which, while immensely satisfying, isn't really what you'd expect to see in an action movie performing life-saving procedures. But I have published several medical thrillers, and I'm here to tell you that no matter how tranquil your specialty may be, you can write a medical thriller. This talk is geared to anyone interested in writing medical thrillers, especially ones that venture outside the box. Our learning objectives are to understand what exactly defines a medical thriller, to identify situations and scenes outside the OR and ER, where any physician might find themselves pulled into a thriller scenario, to identify subgenre where a subspecialist might fit, and to discuss how to focus on character, not the job, to drive the story. I hope you'll join me.